Hey boys, we are at another competition day. There's bikes again, so I'll do it here. We are at another competition day. It's a different layout. It's a little technical. I was just minding my own business, doing some solo runs, trying to get the line there. And yeah, it's unfortunate, but somebody hit me. I'm not sure how well you can see, but the door got dented right here. He spun out on the last U-turn. I'll show you when I'm in the car. So this is the current layout. And at the last part, he was following me, kind of spun. Alright, it's almost noon. We're doing qualifying afternoon. So yeah, I'm going to do a couple more laps. I had a chance to look at the door. It looks a bit better. Tried to dent it back out, but I think my B-pillar is also hit. The rear door is like a little bit more inwards, so the body line doesn't match anymore. Which could have been avoided, but now we're here, so let's continue. So we need to hit this inner clip right here. This is an outer zone. Then here, I think this is an inner clip that we need to come through this. We rub. This is an inner clip. This is an outer zone, which is pretty straightforward. I mean, like it's really long. And then this is completely outer. Not sure where exactly I hit it, but take a look at the rear end. Let's see if we did some damage or not. Seems like it's the day of trashing things. Aha! There we go. It's something new. It's the afternoon now. The club class has already qualified. Now it's the pro class, and I mean pro, it just means tandems or no tandems. So I'm in the pro class. I'm doing tandems. That was the third practice lap. Wait, what? I have another one. What's this? wide. Oh, to go again. This is my, okay, I get it. This is my last qualifying run. Oh, this is not that cool. That was qualifying, I think it went smooth. My first run, I hit a bit of cones, but the second one was okay. I kept close to the cones and stuff, so we'll probably be an okay qualifying. We'll hear about the points later. I will inform you guys. Not sure if I have showed you this already, but I hit the tire wall following my buddy Wesley. I qualified first now, so we will have to do some battles against some people. There are two groups, A group and B group. I qualified first in the A group, so that means with the better drivers, so that's good. Yeah, here's the door. There's a little bit more sun, so maybe you'll be able to see it. I think my B pillar is sunken in. Maybe it's just the door, I don't know, but we'll fix it. It's a lot better than what just happened here. So the car in this dark green has spun or like stopped drifting at the tire wall on the back straight there, and he like continued drifting and hit the rear of the car with his front end. He didn't hit the wheel, it seems like, so, and this looks pretty crusty anyway, so it's probably going to be repairable. We will do some practice laps. So he is in our group, the black Skyline. There's one guy in this car that is also in Group A, and then I think both guys that are also in Group A are already practicing, so I'll hop in the car and do some practicing. I'm going to drive around the track regularly before I do some more drifting, because the layout is with cones and they change from time to time because people drive them over and stuff, so it's not consistent. I mean, it's kind of consistent, but not really. I'm going to drive around it, look where things are at. Okay, so hopefully I can do a lap now alone. Has widened a bit, which means that like the tire wall is a bit in a kind of a half circle, which it wasn't the case before. It was straight and really dangerous for you to hit with the rear. It's still dangerous, but I think it's milder now. The problem I have with running competitions is like not trusting the people that I drive with. I think I have my reasons for that. I mean, like with some people I do, with other people I don't really have any information on them, but I'll see if I can find somebody who wants to do a tandem with me. I'm going to do some practice laps here with Wesley. Okay, that was some good training, but I actually only trained with Wesley, so I think I don't want to be rude, but I think he's my main competition here. So we'll see what it does with the other opponents. Competition is starting. We'll have to drive to the start line, then we get a practice lap, and after that we go into the competition. I think it will be like a group phase again. What I mean by that is we'll probably get to drive with everybody, and then they will decide who drives the best. So we will be able to drive with everybody. We'll see how it goes. Listen here real quick.
Ja, dat is het beste. Jij moet wel altijd eerst.
Oké. Gewoon één toeken alleen?
1 oefenronde en dan is direct tegen Wesley.
Ah ja, oké. So this is a test. Tires are cold, but whatever. It's the Nuts guy. Dennis Nuts. Follow him on Instagram. He's a cool guy. I don't know how that happens. He left me no place, but we'll see how that gets judged. I mean, if I would have transitioned there, it would have been in his door, so I'd rather not do that, you know. We'll see what happens. He left me no place. We'll see what happens in the judging. I mean, I don't really mind. It's whatever. He was really close. He did a good job, so.
Ah, kut ja!
Is dat een beetje heel dicht, hè?
Ik kan het niet hoor, hè?
Dat is niet erg. Maar ik dacht van, ik ga het niet doen, want we gaan brokken rijden.
Ja.
Dus
Het was wel gelukt misschien, maar...
Het ging misschien er tegen zijn ook.
Dat weet nog voor.
Ja.
Maar wie is dat een fout? Ik waarschijnlijk. Hoe zit zo?
Ik weet het zelf niet, ik durf het niet zeggen. Ik heb gestopt, dus mogelijk ben ik een fout. Yeah, he doesn't know who's at fault there as well. I mean, I didn't continue drifting. I had no place, so I could have continued, but I'm pretty sure if I transitioned right there, it would have been in his door. Black R33 right here. Yeah, this is Caro. Get to chase him. I think I gapped him a bit. I'll try to leave some space. I did okay, could have been closer. Feels like he drives away a little bit. I think it was fine. I still have the clunking in the right rear. I have no idea what it is. It's been there for several events now. I've changed axles, changed a couple of things, but it's still there. Oh, I got to lead him. I really have to risk all that much in the chase. I think I had a bit of distance on him. Was a bit shitty. I have to say, oh, he has a sunroof. I think that's it. I'm not sure. Let's see what happens here. Everybody drifted with each other. They don't need any more runs, so I think they have a clear view of who and what. I'm going to take my helmet with me. If there is like a decision that I can film it.
De grote finale hadden we 4 plaats voor Wesley Gebruurs. Dan derde en medaille Thijs Brusselman. Windkap. Dan de tweede plaats voor Karel van Brantegem. En de winnaar. Ik vind dat een kerel extra een auto moet gaan klaarmaken voor de Novus Drift Cup, want dat is echt knap wat hij doet. Ja. Tiziano Kolpaard.
I took the W today. I won the pro class in like the A class. Pretty happy with it. Hopefully you can hear me. Pretty sad about this happening to my door, but I mean, yeah. I think my B pillar has pushed in a bit, or it's the door, I don't know. We'll see. We'll load up the car and we'll get going.